You have an array of choices of nail colors and nail polishes. Have you ever considered mixing your own colors and creating your own nail polish? Hi, I'm beauty expert Jackie O, and today we will learn how to make our own nail polish. You may want to consider doing a half and half, mixing a combination of mica powder and a clear coat, maybe of a top coat, and mixing it up to come up with your own desired combination of color. You may want to consider something like a pink polish and a blue polish mixed together to come up with your own creative color depending on your special event. You can also mix colors of neutrals with glitter colors to come up with a neutral glitter polish. You may want to put the colors up against your hand and your nails to see your desired final result. Remember, we all want to make our own polishes to have beautiful nails. I'm Jackie O, beauty expert, and we have learned today how to make our own nail polish.